now we've got a pile of protective grounds that clearly need to be recertified. And of course, before we do that, we're going to make sure that we clean these up, because we can't be testing looking like this. So we'll go through these grounds, we'll clean them up, we'll do some visual inspections on the clamps, we'll do an electrical test, make sure they pass, and we'll send them back out to the customer. So here we are, we got a ground chain set up on the rack. We're going to go and give it a nice little clean, and then we're going to actually go through and we're going to check visually for any cracks or nicks in that jacket. So the jacket itself is only rated to 600 volts. The jacket is meant to be a mechanical protection for your ground chain. So any nicks, any cuts, that's going to affect the mechanical integrity of this ground chain. Okay, now that we've done our cleaning and our visual inspection on the jacket, we're going to come and have a look at the clamp. So we're going to get this put into a vise clamp on our desk here. We're actually going to take a drill and we're going to wire brush the inside of the contacts. We want those nice and clean. We're also going to come through and we're going to spin the nut off the ferrule, and we're going to take the clamp off. We're actually going to clean up the ferrule end as well. We're going to make sure we want maximum continuity within the temporary protective ground. Okay, now that we've done our clean and inspect, we've cleaned up our clamps, we're good to go. Now we're going to hook it up to our tester. This is a high current test, run at 200 amps. For a pass, you need to be within the 95% acceptance range on high current. Alrighty, we've cleaned, we've inspected, we've tested, and now we're going to show you a finished product. We've seen what they look like when they come in. Bit of a difference seeing what they look like when they're going out.